Hello everyone, so today we'll be making homemade brownies on Cristian Bakes. Yeah, we're gonna show you how to bake those from scratch in this video, Cristian Bakes. So first, we're gonna do our temperature, upper oven, bake 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and press start. Once it gets to 350, it'll beep, and then it'll do its process with the oven to get its right temperature and heat. So let's move on to the other side where we're going to bake the brownies and stuff. So alright. So first we're going to take our 2 sticks of butters, unsalted butter. I'll put it in a bowl, in the microwave for 30 seconds. And once we do that, we're going to do the other ingredients as well. So let me do 30 seconds. We unwrap these really quick. And we're going to do that first. So yeah, we're gonna do this first. I took them out a little bit to make sure they get into room temperature, and we're gonna put them into the bowl. Oh yeah, these are gonna be. Oh, yeah, I saw that. There you go. Okay. Yeah, so we'll put it for 30 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds. Let them get into a really soft butter of the butter, not too you want melting or into melty. So like soften up the butter. In it, or just melt the butter, or just melt the butter completely, and we'll put it into the bowl. So I'll show you that in a little bit. Let me check it. Yeah, give her like a minute, like 60 seconds, but do it 30 each of seconds, so he doesn't blow up the microwave instantly. So we're gonna do that first. Yeah, we're gonna show a step-by-step process, and we'll put the light on too. You guys can see what's going on. It should look like this, like melty, like softened up butter, like very softy. Or you put it into the mixer. So I'll show you that about that. So we're gonna put we're gonna put our sugars first, our dry ingredients first, and then put our white ingredients in there. So that way it's not like you're putting white ingredients at the bottom of the bowl. You put it on top of the bowl with the white ingredients, so it kind of gets like a better mixture combined in. So that's how that works. So we're going to do that first. So sugar. That's what I'm going to do first. One cup, and then we're gonna do another cup. Here, hold on. I may tilt it up a little bit with this camera so I can see what's going. Oh, wait, never mind. I'll do it that. Yeah, so we're gonna do another one. So I can't see sometimes with this small camera I'm using. I was using a Sony camera. Oh, that was the microwave. That was the oven. Alright, so next we're gonna take pure vanilla extract. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. So we're going to take 2 in here, and then our butter goes on top. Oh, 1, and then 2. Alright, that's it. That's good. That's good. Yeah, not too much vanilla. It'll be too much overpowered. And then we're gonna take our lovely butter. Our lovely butter right here goes into here. Yeah. You guys, make sure you guys put this in first into the KitchenAid mixer before you plug it in. You don't want to plug it in, or else you're gonna cut your hand off. I'm being dead serious. So make sure it's off first before you start this. Do it this way. So do it towards the kitchen mixer into the plug. So we're gonna do that first. So make sure it's unstirred to make sure it's off, and then you put it on stir. When you plug in the mixer kitchen mixer, and then you put on stir. This is gonna take a while, so it might take a few minutes. Looks like that. So it's gonna get all like mixy, like kind of homemade frosting almost. It looks like that. Looks like we're gonna do homemade frosting, but we're not gonna do homemade frosting. We're making brownies, homemade brownies from scratch. We're gonna do that first. So let's give it a few minutes. Do that, and then let's see. What's the next one here? I want to look at the book. Let me see. All right, add eggs. We're adding eggs in here. Yeah, we're gonna add one at a time for eggs. So you do 4 eggs for this recipe, one at a time only. Do that. You don't want to over mix it, over combine with the eggs all at once. So you're going to do 4 eggs, one at a time though. Okay, all right. So we're going to, after you put all the eggs in, this is what it looks like. It should look like this. So we're gonna show you how to do the rest of the stuff just a little bit. We're going to use a 1/4. So you got 1/4 right here. It's going to be 3/4. So yeah, that's what we're going to do the cocoa powder. So you get cocoa powder. It's going to be caffeinated because it's cocoa powder. It's chocolate. Ooh. So we're going to do 3/4 of this. So yeah, it should look like this with the spatula you used to. Make sure it's even like this, so that way you can put it into the bowl. Right, we're gonna take this and put it in here. So 1/4 of this. Okay. We're gonna do this one. And we'll do one more. Yep, that's about it. We're gonna do that and press stir. Press stir for a few minutes once it gets all nice and chocolatey. Should look like this right here. Look like this. Like this right here. All chocolatey with all the cocoa powder in there. These 3/4 of that, cups of that, into there. You should take a spatula and we'll get the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna do this really quick. So let me mix the ingredients out like this. With my spatula. I'm gonna use a small one because it's not like a big mixer to use. So we'll go all over that. Alright. Alright. Let me put this. Alright, we're good. Okay. So we're gonna, oh jeez. We're gonna do baking powder. That is gonna be, so half a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna do salt now too, and flour of salt. And then we're gonna do flour. So yeah, it's a little bit of salt. Right. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of all-purpose flour. There we go. Got a little chocolate. And press stir. That's what it should look like. The baking powder, yep. And it should look like this. Once it's all mixed in there. Look like this type of thing. I'm gonna scrape a little bit of the sides so that way it gets all in there nicely, and then we're gonna put it into the tray. I'll show you do that in a little bit. I'm gonna scrape the sides once again with the flour in the back. So we're gonna scrape it really quick. Do a quick scrape, and all the flour gets in there with one more mix, and then I think we're gonna put it into the pan. Once I'm gonna show you do that part too. This part gets simple and easy. It's get a little messy. So, oh no. Yeah, so we're gonna do that really quick. With this, I'll show you through the pan really fast, and then we'll put it all in there together. Yeah, we're gonna. Alright. Flip this. Turn this off. Plug it. Make sure you guys plug it, and then got the chug off. So now you're gonna take this after you mix everything, you should look like this. So we're gonna put it into the pan. So before I do the pan thing, before I put it into the pan, we're gonna spray it really quick. So you gonna take your olive oil, baking pan, cooking spray, whatever you have in your own home. You could just do like this. You should do the sides first, and then get the middle, the pan like that. Still very lightly, not too much grease. Take our homemade brownie batter right here, and then we're gonna put it into this lovely pan right here. So you're gonna take your spatula, and you wanna put it all in here. Slowly. You get all the gooey batter in there. So you're gonna go like this with your pan. Make sure after you do all the gooey batter into the pan, just spray it nicely. Spray it very nicely with the spatula. Yeah, spray it very nicely. You make sure you get all the corners sprayed tightly. All this over here too. And do all this over here. There you go. So yeah, 50 is already heated. So we're gonna put it into the oven. So we're gonna do it for 35 minutes. Our brownies, 30. It said 30 to 35 minutes. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do 35 minutes of the brownies. Once you do it with the toothpick, make sure it comes out clean, and do it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes of cool down. So if it's cool down, it'll be easier to cut it. I'll show you how to do that once it's baked in. So yeah, we'll show you that in a bit. Oh, that's good. Okay, guys. All right, we're gonna use our pizza cutter. I'm gonna show you how to cut these nicely. So we're gonna start right in the center. Cut evenly like that. Cut in the middle like this. Yeah, make sure it's like clean. Now gooey with the toothpick. I'm going this actually. Here, hold on. Do it this way. Let's put it there for now. Okay. This. Sides. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. Alright. There you go. Alright. So we cut like that. Take a little scooper. The scoop of take your spatula right here. And you're gonna cut in here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, guys, I made a brownie sundae. Yeah, with vanilla ice cream and a brownie sundae. Let's try a real bite test this time. 3, a 2, a 1. Very good. The brownie is really good actually. It's like super yummy and creamy and warm. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Here we go. Subscribe, like this video, comment down below. You see what other recipes when we do next on Cristian Bakes. And see you in another one. Bye guys. Bye everyone.